me and my whole channel for foil, right? So now I'm gonna do this from the box is wallpaper number 80. This beauty, right? I did this one first already. So now I'm gonna show you different colors. I'm gonna use this. Hold on, where am I? Make sure you're getting the shiny. Oh, not the wrong one. All right. Add it on. Give it a good rub. If your hands, my hand getting a cuticle oil, sometimes it's just so sleek and slippery. Make sure you have it, or you have the dual end tweezer. You can use that as well. Okay, so now, if you are, oh my God, I'm looking at this and said, oh, should I do this with the gels or should I do this with acrylics? Acrylics will look so gorgeous. So basically, if you want to do gels, all you need to do is add this color, or add this, any color, or pink, or nude, or beige, or whatever it is, or is rose nude, any color from the base collection, from a Dare to Bear collection, or anything. So only you need to apply it and then blend it using the brush number 1, the floral brush. But if you don't want to, is this too, we're gonna using a liquid and powder. How about that? When you use liquid and powder, is really quick, simple, and easy. All right, so we did 2 nails with the gels already. Let's do this too. But if you do this too, we are going to do a liquid and powder for a lot of the nail tech love liquid and powder. So I'm go ahead and using the no wipe top coat. Make sure you always have a no wipe top coat on to seal this. There's thousands of different techniques. A lot of you were able to do it with a liquid and monomer there, but I don't want to take a chance because sometimes the ratio of the ratio between the monomers and then the powders is might be runny, and you need to get some time to work on. I don't want them, the monomers would like basically dissolving your gel. So this one I did add the top coat on. You can see that how good and shiny it is. I did the top coat on already, and I key for 60 seconds already. So now we are go ahead and using the acrylics. My acrylic brush is really like it's still in a good conditions, and I rub off a lot here because I'm holding on it to this, but it's really good then, because every time I clean it and put it back into the shape, so then it stays remaining really nice for me. So I'm go ahead and using, you can use this either way. Which one should I use? This one, teal. You can do teal or you can do jade green. Which one should I do today? Doesn't matter, whatever you want to do. Let's do, and then we need the crystal clear as well. Crystal clears is coming the bigger size now. So then a lot of you are working with the crystal clears, glitz crystal clears. You know how really crisp clear. It's like not turning yellow after you're done at all. So then I'm gonna go ahead and adding just a crystal clear, just a little bit, not much, right above of where is going to be ombre. The reason it is because it's a no wipe top coat is really nice and smooth. So I'm gonna add is a little bit of the layer on it to give it a better like bonding, and submerging my bristles into the monomer and pick up teal, the smaller beads, and we'll place it right above of the foil that we just finished, and hold for a second and let it set. And then using the belly of the bristle, okay, and it really gently is blend it down. Hey, how everyone doing so far? You doing good? And now I would suggest doing it 2 beads for the nail lover, and then for as beginner is what it does is gonna help you blend so much better, easier between the transfer foil or any others of encapsulating you want to ombre. And then in the second beads will help you perfect your cuticle area without have to rush. Oh my god, it's setting. My cuticle is a mess and it not looks like flawless, and then my ombre is not blending, so just feeling like really panicking, and then you rush and you just pat all the powder everywhere, so it's gonna make it really frustrated. So I would suggest doing it 2 beads. 2 beads going a long way. It doesn't matter 2 beads, 3 beads, whatever it take you to making your ombre works. That is up to you. There's some of the videos is be definitely is an inspiration, but you find out what works for you, use that and enjoy it. This is one of the way, you know, if it works for you, applies it. If it doesn't work and you have some other way, that'd be awesome. We so excited and we can't wait to see your beautiful work. All right, so now it looks good like this. I love it's a blending. I don't know how it looks in yours, but I'm gonna add just a little bit of the sparkly white. See, now I have this sparkly white. This is absolutely everything because it's like so freaking stunning. Just a little bit, just a little touch, and then you can wipe it out most if you want to. It doesn't have to be. So I still see my butterflies, and then I still see my ombre. That's it. You can add anything else on you want to. I have my encapsulate right here. Should I add this one on?
Sure. Nice.
Maybe I like this one. The love. Look, that's what I got. So when you sub box, you are getting this beauty. Should I do a rose and love? I'm so obsessed with this. Love or rose? Which one you want?
It worked both.
Oh, you know what? I didn't realize there's a love stick in the. I put this one.
A little bit right in the middle.
No.
Like right a little bit above it.
Maybe this. No, I don't want it. Sorry. Should I?
It's up to you.
Oh, this one. I just don't want to take away from a really beautiful ombre, but I changed my mind. So that's when it dry out. When it dry out, do not worry, getting a little bit of crystal clear right there, so then you can have a better adhesion and play that lips there. That's it. Okay. When you apply the encapsulate with the crystal or with the acrylic, you don't have to worry if it's gonna flatten it, because we are going to apply the crystal clear on the top to encap completely. First of all, to encap all of the glitter underneath, anything that you place underneath. Also is to protecting your ombre, so then when you're shaping, filing, buffing, your ombre will not go ahead and like say bye-bye to you. Like you say, hello, you got a little bit of ombre here, I'm gonna say bye to you because you buffed me off. So we are going to cap this to definitely, if like two purposes, hold all of the glitters that is with the nails, and then also to protect our ombre's design. Okay. And then I'm gonna do one more beads right here. So for a lot of you are afraid of to beginners, a lot of beginner love, you know, doing a lot of nail art, encapsulate. I would cap the cuticle so then that way you don't have to have as like scared of filing or overhand, like overhanded filing all of this. So we're gonna get this, make sure there are on this and here, let it air. And then when you do any of the beads, make sure you are tapered inside. Keep it inside the frame. And really like treat it like a baby. You don't want to pat and pull it so hard. Especially in the winter time now. So a lot of state is cold. So give it a little bit time and be patient. Because beside these, the room temperature is good already. But then it's like running more than usual. So you don't want to pull all of your powder off. You want it to stay. Okay. Looking good. I'm going to let this one on the side to let it air dry. It's cute, huh? And I'm going to put some crystal in here.